What if your kitchen could cook for you? These 37 automatic Amazon gadgets are going viral in 2026, and some of them feel like the future, especially gadget number 5. Create fun crinkle-cut fries and perfectly sliced vegetables with this crinkle cutter knife. Made from durable stainless steel, it easily cuts potatoes, carrots, and other veggies. Ideal for snacks, salads, and creative kitchen prep every time. Upgrade your kitchen with this 7-piece Japanese-style knife set. Crafted from high-carbon stainless steel for sharp, precise cutting, it comes with a foldable magnetic acacia wood block for stylish storage. Featuring anti-slip handles, perfect for everyday cooking and a great gift idea. Create fresh, plant-based drinks at home with this nut milk maker machine. With 8 presets and a high-speed blender, it easily makes soy, oat, and almond milk. Featuring auto-clean, delay start, and a 33 ounces capacity. Healthy, convenient, and perfect for dairy-free living. Serve drinks in style with the Delove glass pitcher. Made from heat-resistant borosilicate glass with a shatterproof shell, this 2L jug features a handle, spout, and lid for easy pouring. Perfect for iced tea, juice, or hot and cold water, durable and elegant. Cook eggs perfectly every time with the Elite Gourmet Rapid Egg Cooker. Make 7 hard, medium, or soft-boiled eggs, poached eggs, or omelets with ease. Featuring auto shutoff, an alarm, a 16-recipe booklet, and a sleek charcoal gray design. Fast, convenient, and foolproof. Cook big meals with ease using the Sun Vivi roaster oven. This 26-quart roaster handles up to a 30 pounds turkey and features a viewing lid for easy monitoring. With defrost and warm functions, plus a removable pan and rack, it's perfect for delicious, hassle-free cooking every time. Crush garlic in seconds with the Gorilla Grip Garlic Press Set. This heavy-duty tool features a large ergonomic handle for easy mincing of garlic, ginger, nuts, and seeds. Includes a handy peeler for quick prep, durable, efficient, and perfect for everyday cooking. Make perfect sealed meals in seconds with the CRMPT Large Tortilla Sealer. Designed for 10 to 12-inch tortillas, it easily creates tacos, quesadillas, and burritos without mess. BPA-free, dishwasher-safe, and built for convenience. Quick, fun, and perfect for every kitchen. Keep your sourdough starter perfectly active with this electric sourdough starter warmer mat. Featuring thermostat control, timer, and memory function, it maintains ideal proofing temperature every time. Easy to use with a US plug, perfect for consistent, successful home baking. Make delicious churros at home with the Need Eat Churro Maker Kit. Featuring a booster-powered handle, churrera, and piping bag for easy filling. Comes with a QR recipe guide. Perfect for homemade churros, cookies, and fun, creative baking anytime. Cook with style using this 4L glass cooking pot with a heart-shaped lid. Heat-resistant and highly efficient, it ensures even cooking while reducing energy use. Safe for oven, gas, and electric stoves. Perfect for soups, pasta, and more, with easy dishwasher cleanup. Pour and measure with precision using the 250 milliliters per 8.5 ounces measuring cup espresso shot glass. Featuring double spouts and a stylish wood handle, this clear glass cup is perfect for espresso, milk, and coffee prep. Ideal for baristas and home coffee lovers alike. Measure ingredients effortlessly with the 4-in-1 adjustable measuring cup. This multifunctional cup features a scraper-style seal base, push-up design, and space-saving, easy-to-clean construction. Perfect for cooking and baking. No waste, precise, and convenient every time. Enjoy tea time with the 2-in-1 glass tea set for adults. Includes a glass teapot with infuser, warmer base, and 4 double-wall cups. Perfect for personal use or gatherings. Elegant and practical, it makes a thoughtful gift for tea lovers. Brew barista-quality coffee at home with this 20-bar espresso machine, featuring a powerful pressure system and a steam wand for rich cappuccinos and lattes. With a large 61-ounce water tank and stylish retro matcha green design, it's perfect for cafe-style drinks anytime. Air fryer egg molds. Start your mornings right with the 4PCS air fryer egg molds, your new go-to for quick, fun, and healthy cooking. Made from high-quality non-stick silicone, these molds are perfect for eggs, muffins, toast cups, or mini pancakes. They're reusable, heat-resistant, and super easy to clean, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. Each mold comes with a lid to prevent spills and keep your air fryer spotless. Whether you're meal prepping or making breakfast on the go, these air fryer accessories make cooking fast, neat, and delicious. Upgrade your kitchen with these colorful, must-have silicone egg molds today. Turn breakfast into something fun with the Presto Belgian Waffle Bowl Maker. Create crispy, fluffy waffle bowls perfect for fruits, ice cream, or savory fillings. Compact, easy to use, and quick to clean, make every meal more creative and delicious. Grill anywhere with the Techwood electric barbecue grill. This 1600W indoor-outdoor grill features adjustable heat, a double-layer design, and a removable stand for easy use. With a drip tray and dust cover included, it's perfect for parties, patios, and backyard cooking. Pour batter with precision using the 800 ml stainless steel pancake batter dispenser. Perfect for pancakes, crepes, waffles, cupcakes, and muffins. Features an easy flow spout and measuring gauge in ml and cups for mess-free, consistent baking every time. The automatic grape peeler machine is a smart kitchen tool designed for quick and easy peeling of small produce. Perfect for grapes, garlic, and cherry tomatoes, this cordless peeler removes skins smoothly with minimal effort. Its compact, user-friendly design makes it safe and simple to use for everyday cooking. Powered by a rechargeable battery, it offers convenient, hands-free operation without messy cleanup. Save time in the kitchen and enjoy perfectly peeled fruits and vegetables in seconds. Organize your kitchen with the Copco 2-tier non-skid turntable. This 12-inch durable organizer rotates smoothly, keeping spices, condiments, and pantry items within easy reach. Easy to clean and stylish in white and gray. Perfect for any cabinet or countertop. Brew authentic tea with the Ethnic Tea Vibe electric Turkish tea maker. Featuring a stainless steel double pot design with a 1.7L kettle and 1L teapot. Enjoy boil-dry protection, auto shut-off, and keep warm function. Perfect for rich, flavorful tea anytime. Meet the Scene Last warming mat for food, designed to keep your meals perfectly warm anytime. With adjustable temperature control and a built-in timer, you can customize the heat for different dishes with ease. This electric food warming mat features fast 10-second heating, making it ideal for parties, buffets, and daily family meals. The included insulating pad and raised feet help protect your table from heat damage while ensuring safe use. Sleek, practical, and efficient. Upgrade your pressure cooking with the original Sal Brie steamer basket. Made from durable stainless steel, it fits 6-quart instant pots and other cookers perfectly. Featuring a convenient silicone handle for safe lifting. Ideal for steaming veggies, dumplings, and more with ease. Toast your favorites perfectly every time with this 4-slice toaster. Featuring 1.5-inch wide slots, 6 browning levels, and settings for 6 bread types. With touchscreen controls, digital timer, memory, defrost, and reheat functions, it's smart, fast, and convenient for any breakfast. Fizz up any drink with the DrinkMate Spritzer. This portable sparkling maker carbonates water, juice, or even cocktails anywhere. Includes 2 3-ounce CO2 cylinders for instant bubbles, compact, convenient, and perfect for refreshing drinks on the go. Bamboo Cutting Board. Kichi offers a versatile set with sizes including 15 by 10 inches, 12 by 8 inches, and 9 by 6 inches. Accommodating all your cutting needs from meats and vegetables to fruits and breads. This variety ensures you always have the perfect board for any task. Our cutting boards undergo a thermal treatment at 500 degrees Fahrenheit, 260 degrees Celsius, a process known as carbonization. This treatment enhances the bamboo's stability, significantly reduces moisture absorption, and gives the board a rich, dark hue that complements any kitchen decor. Experience unparalleled durability with Kichi's cutting board set, which uses a cross-laminated technique. Each layer of bamboo is precisely interlocked to create a robust structure that resists warping and cracking. Easily slice and core fruits with the apple slicer. This heavy-duty cutter handles apples up to 3.8 inches, features 8 slices, a comfort handle, and a stable stand. Plus, it comes with tomato cutting blades for versatile, quick, and safe kitchen prep. Keep your pantry neat with the Utopia Shelf Bin Packet Organizer. This 4-tier, stair-step bin holds tea bags, medicine, and more, keeping items visible and accessible. Made from BPA-free, durable plastic, perfect for kitchen cabinets and organized storage. Upgrade your kitchen prep with the Cook with Color Nesting Bowl set. This 8-piece set includes mixing bowls, a colander, sifter, and measuring cups, all in a space-saving nesting design. Stylish and mint and easy to use, it makes cooking, baking, and organizing simple and efficient. Store and reheat meals safely with the Anyday 4-cup glass food storage. This round, deep dish features a glass lid with a vent for microwave-safe reheating. Stackable, airtight, and completely plastic-free. Perfect for meal prep and eco-friendly kitchen organization. Upgrade your kitchen with the ultimate yogurt strainer. Turn regular yogurt into thick, creamy Greek yogurt packed with protein, featuring 70% less sugar and lactose. Made with fine mesh nylon, BPA-free materials, and a large 2.3-quart capacity. Easy, healthy, and dishwasher safe. Keep your pantry neat and your food fresh with the Honeycandu Zevro Essential Dual Control Dry Food Dispenser. Designed for effortless portion control, it smoothly dispenses cereal, snacks, or dog food with a simple twist. Each clear container holds up to 17.5 ounces, making it easy to see when it's time to refill. Perfect for organized, mess-free storage the whole family can use. Cook perfect rice in minutes with the Joseph M Cuisine Microwave Rice Cooker. This 2-liter capacity steamer makes fluffy rice effortlessly in your microwave. Designed for convenience with easy handling and mess-free cooking, ideal for quick, everyday meals. Meet the 10-in-1 nut milk maker machine, your all-in-one solution for fresh, homemade drinks. With a 40-ounce capacity, it effortlessly creates almond milk, oat milk, soy milk, juices, and shakes. Enjoy smart features like auto-clean, 24-hour delay, keep warm, and boil water. Perfect for healthy, plant-based living. Power up your kitchen with the BLEOU Commercial Dough Mixer. Featuring a 10.5-quart capacity and a powerful 750W motor, it delivers dual-speed, dual-action mixing for perfect dough every time. Built with a food-grade stainless steel bowl, safety shield, and timer, ideal for bakeries, pizzerias, and restaurants. Deep Fryer Pot. Meet the Presto Fry Daddy Electric Deep Fryer, your shortcut to crispy, golden perfection every time. This sleek black fryer heats up fast and maintains the ideal frying temperature automatically, so there's no guesswork, no mess. Fry delicious fries, chicken, shrimp, or donuts with just 4 cups of oil, saving you time and money. Its non-stick interior makes cleanup effortless, while the compact design fits any kitchen space beautifully. Simple, efficient, and stylish, the Presto Fry Daddy makes frying fun and deliciously easy. Cook healthy meals effortlessly with the Mano Steamer Pot. This 11.8-inch, 2-tier stainless steel steamer lets you prepare vegetables, dumplings, and more at the same time. Durable, versatile, and easy to use. Perfect for everyday cooking with delicious, nutritious results. Slice fruits and eggs in seconds with the Hendy Fruit Slicer Cup. Perfect for strawberries, grapes, bananas, and more, its stainless steel blades make quick, even cuts every time. A handy kitchen gadget for faster prep and fun, beautifully sliced results. Make fruit prep effortless with the Schwabiner 3.5-inch apple slicer. This professional-grade tool features 8 super-sharp stainless steel blades that slice and core apples quickly and evenly in one motion. The ergonomic design gives you a comfortable grip, while the durable construction ensures long-lasting performance. Perfect for snacks, baking, or meal prep, enjoy perfectly cut apples every time. Quickly slice fruits with the Fire Kylan Banana Slicer. Made with durable ABS and stainless steel, it easily cuts bananas, strawberries, grapes, and more. Comes in a 2-piece set, perfect for salads, snacks, and effortless kitchen prep. Keep your microwave clean with this 10.2-inch microwave splatter cover. Made from BPA-free, vented silicone, it prevents splashes while heating food. Features collapsible design, handles, and an anti-scald tray. Fits most compact microwaves for safe, mess-free cooking. Cooking torch. Safe, sturdy creme brulee torch. The safety lock could prevent accidental ignition. Also, the ergonomic design provides comfort to your hand and keep away from the flame. The aluminum alloy material adopted makes it more resistant and sturdy. Refillable portable. This butane torch lighter can be refilled after running out of use. With 3 butane adapters included, it's compatible with all types of butane tanks, whether with long or short nozzle. This mini butane torch is small and lightweight, easy to hold. Butane gas not included. Versatile. You can easily control the flame temperature according to your needs. Max 1,371 degrees Celsius per 2,500 degrees Fahrenheit. Such as caramelizing food, soldering DIY jewelry, cooking, barbecue, baking, brulee, cream, DIY soldering, bar cocktails, camping, and craft. Bake fresh bread at home with the Neretva 20 in 1 bread maker. Featuring a 2 lb capacity, dual heaters for even baking, and a non-stick ceramic pan for easy cleanup. With a 15-hour timer, keep warm function, and low-noise design, it's perfect for effortless, delicious homemade bread every day. Vegetable chopper. Chop, slice, and dice like a pro with the Mueller The Real Original Pro Chopper. Since 2013, this versatile 10-in-1 vegetable chopper has made meal prep faster and easier for home cooks everywhere. Equipped with 8 sharp blades and a sturdy container, it effortlessly handles onions, peppers, carrots, and more, saving time and reducing mess. The compact design keeps your countertop tidy, while the durable construction ensures long-lasting performance. Perfect for salads, stir-fries, and everyday cooking, this chopper is a must-have kitchen gadget for anyone who loves efficiency and convenience. Upgrade your kitchen with the Mueller Pro Chopper and make prepping vegetables a breeze. Make perfect rotis in seconds with the Starblue 10-inch roti maker. This powerful 1200W electric press features a non-stick stainless steel surface for easy cooking and cleaning. Comes with a free roti warmer and removable handle, ideal for soft chapati, tortillas, and more every day. Eggshell opener. Say goodbye to messy cracking. Introducing our innovative eggshell opener for hard-boiled eggs, designed to make cracking hard-boiled and raw eggs a breeze. Just press the button for a clean, quick cut. No more knives or hammering required. This essential tool is among the top kitchen gadgets for 2024. Take it anywhere. Lightweight and portable, this egg cracker is your ideal kitchen aid for outdoor adventures. Easily pack it in your luggage or backpack for hassle-free egg cracking at home, in a hotel, or while camping. Pair it with our egg peeler tool for hard-boiled eggs for the ultimate kitchen and dining experience. Upgrade your kitchen. Transform your cooking routine with this essential kitchen tool that simplifies egg preparation, making it a must-have for every home chef. Whether you're using our eggshell opener, egg cracking tool, or hard-boiled egg peeler, elevate your kitchen experience today. Mix, whip, and knead with ease using the Bella 3.5 QT handstand mixer. This 2-in-1 design works as a stand or handheld mixer, powered by a 200W motor. Includes a bowl, dough hook, whisk, and beaters, perfect for effortless baking every time. Maximize your microwave space with the Double Wave Mini Plate Stacker. This 2-tier stand lets you heat 2 plates at once, cutting time by up to 1.5x. Made from BPA-free, heat-safe material, it's perfect for quick, efficient, and mess-free meal prep. Steam vegetables easily with the Joseph Bloom Folding Steamer Basket. Expandable to fit various pans and collapsible for compact storage, it's perfect for healthy, mess-free cooking. Durable and stylish in green, ideal for any kitchen.